Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, 6th class. Today we are going to start our new topic, which is enzymes. What are enzymes? Enzymes are actually basically proteins. They are biological catalysts. Catalyst का रोल आपको पता है. Catalyst help in speed up the reaction actually, but the catalyst itself are not used in the reaction, or they cannot be changed at the end of the reaction. They remains the same. So the only purpose of catalyst of enzymes is to speed up the reaction, is to help in making the reaction progress. They lower the amount of energy required for a chemical reaction to take place. Enzymes break down large food molecules into a smaller ones. Starch, protein, fats, they are all are big molecules. Glucose, amino acid, fatty acid, glycerol, they are all small molecules which can enter into our blood easily. So these enzymes help in breaking down these large molecules into a smaller molecules. And you have already, I told you all enzymes. I told you that in digestive system, how in digestive system different enzymes help in digestion. Enzymes have names, but usually enzymes name tells you how, what is the purpose of this enzyme is. For example, here is an enzyme carbohydrates break down starch into a simple sugar molecule. Here you can see, students, in picture, starch molecules are made up of glucose molecules. The glucose molecules are joined together like a string. Carbohydrate, what is the purpose of carbohydrates? Carbohydrates enzyme break down this link and the convert these large molecules, starch molecule, into a simple sugar molecule, so that these simple sugar molecules easily enter into the bloodstream. Similarly, other enzyme like lipase, this is also an enzyme that break down fat molecule into a fatty acid or glycerol molecules. There are different factors which affect the enzymes work at maximum, work at best at specific temperature, which is called, we called it the optimal temperature. At this temperature enzyme work at its best. So here is an example, taking a pair of test tubes which consist, one tube consists of saliva and the other tube is consist of starch solution, and these two test tube is putting into a beaker of ice, beaker of water at 37 degrees centigrade, and beaker of water at 100 degrees centigrade. So what happened, after 5 minutes the saliva and the starch solution are mixed together. Then this sample is added into a iodine solution, and iodine solution turn into a blue and black. But after some time these enzymes, this iodine stop turning into a blue and black. The enzyme, when it stop turning into a blue and black, the enzyme will break down the starch into a glucose. This will happens only at 37 degrees centigrade temperature. It does not help in at 2 degrees centigrade and 100 degrees centigrade. So it is clear that these enzymes work at best at 37 degrees centigrade. It will not work at ice temperature, and it will not work at boiling temperature. So it is clear that temperature affect the enzyme activity. Here is an other parameter which affect the enzyme activity, which is pH. Every enzyme work at work best at its optimal pH. If the pH doesn't suit the enzyme, enzymes, the ionization takes place and break down the enzymes. So here another example from your book, students. At start taken the three take three test tube, and each test tube is filled with saliva, and one one and acid is added into one test tube. Other test tube is filled with water, and the third one is filled with alkali. All the pH is different. Is the pH of water is neutral, which is 7. Alkali pH is above the 7, and the pH of acids is below the 7. So these three test tubes is added into a iodine solution. After some point, iodine stop turning into a blue and black, and in at this time the enzymes broke down the starch into a glucose, and this will occur at pH 10, at acidic pH. So the saliva works at best at acidic pH. It will not work at alkali and alkali pH or in pure water. So it is clear that every enzymes so it is very clear that pH affects the enzyme activity. If the optimal pH is not maintained, then enzyme will not work. Hope students you will get today lesson. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.